So good morning from Berrima Diesel Service. Looking down here at a lovely 1HZ in a 105 series Land Cruiser. It's had the turbocharger system installed. And people would say, why do they do that? Isn't that dangerous? Well, we've been doing it for a pretty long time here, so we just don't see an issue with it. Like everything, when done properly, we see no problems. The turbo down there is looking a little bit rusty because it's been sitting here for a few weeks waiting for the customer to get down thanks to lockdown. It's obviously cast iron housing, compressor housing on the inlet side's aluminium. Heat shield and everything all goes back on there and everything looks neat and tidy. Your factory air cleaner stays there so it's easy to service and get parts for. Neat and tidy and away we go. Why do people turbocharge? Well, most people are looking for more torque out of a diesel. A non-turbo is pretty good. Depends what sort of vehicle it's doing and what you're doing with it, but as soon as you start towing or getting any sort of load in there, you really need to be thinking about turbocharging and getting air to your diesel. Why is that? Because you've got 6 injectors and a pump supplying lots of fuel to the engine, and that ends up making it smoking if you turn it up more for more power. So you put a turbo on, you get a lot of air. When you've got a lot of air, it keeps it efficient, burns that fuel so you have no smoke and power. The danger is, of course, when guys put turbochargers on, putting in too much fuel, turning that fuel screw up, and of course all of a sudden everything goes pop, bang, and it's all over. And gee, the turbo did this and the turbo did that. The turbo did nothing. It was the guy that turned the fuel screw up that blew your engine up. We do so many of these things. We've got another one over here, another 105 as well. Son Baden's just finished this one off. Looking a little bit cleaner down there because it's absolutely fresh. And of course you've got the heat shield goes back on. Air cleaner, piping, everything stays looking as neat and tidy as possible. And things, when they're neat and tidy, mean they're usually going to last a long time because they're not thrashing around in the wind ready to hang off. So there's 2 turbos. I've got another one upside in the workshop he's working on at the moment. A Land Cruiser 80 series, all on the 1HZs. So we've been doing these for a long time. When they're done correctly, it's safe. So if you're thinking about turbocharging your diesel, give us a holler here at Berrima Diesel Service, the family of diesel experts. Grandfather, father and sons working on the tools. I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel. You can see more of these videos. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com where you can find out more about looking after your diesel.